Okay guys, today we are going out, we're gonna go, I'm gonna show you guys how to use the crossbow. There's a lot of new people that like to archery hunt, and, there's a lot of people evolving to, crossbows, which, I'm using one right now, but, I'm looking to get a compound bow sometime, which would be really nice. But, before we get into it, right now, please hit the subscribe button. Right now, we are at 86 subscribers, you guys can see. Right there, 86. That's the live feed. So yeah, go down, hit that, and let's go show you guys my crossbow, and we'll get right into that. Okay guys, I know you guys can only see my legs, but here's my crossbow. The first step in using your crossbow, or shooting it at least, is you want to cock it back. So what you want to do is you want to take like a piece like this, make sure there's hooks on each side, and now there's a little notch right here, as you can see where I'm putting it. And you want to put that in there. And you want to take your one hook, put it down, just like maybe not even an inch or so away from the bar thing, whatever you call that. And then whenever you want to call this back, you want to make sure it's on fire. But the safety's off. And then what you want to do, there's a little loop right there, you can see on the bottom. You want to put your foot in there, and you just want to pull back like that. And it automatically goes to safe. So next thing is getting an arrow. So give me 1 second. Okay guys, as you can see I have an arrow. And most of y'all will have your broadhead on it, cause for hunting. Well, actually, or you might buy them with broadheads, or anyways, if you do have a broadhead on it, you want to make sure you take it off, because you don't want to shoot into a target. Like I'll show you guys here in a little bit. I don't think it's the camera or whatever, but yeah, you don't want to shoot into a target with one of these. It's highly advised not to. But what you want to do is you want to take like your sleeve here or something and put it around, because these things are very sharp. You just want to like twist it off like this, and then it'll come off like that. It's in here in my hand, but make sure you put it somewhere where you know it's gonna be safe. Make sure you don't want to step on it or put your hand on top of it or anything like that, because they hurt. And then you just want to take your thing, your steel tip right there, and just screw it on. And then there's that. Now, alright guys, we brought our bolt in. It is pushed back. Now, like I was saying, once you cock it back, the string, it'll automatically turn safe. So, what you want to do is when you go to shoot, you just want to click that forward, and then depends on how far you're shooting, you have different yardage in the scope. So like me, I'm like 6 yards away. So yeah. So you're gonna take it. It might be the top crosshair, which is a normal crosshair in a rifle. You just wanna take it and pull trigger. So yeah, that's that. I was only trying to aim for anything on there. I was just trying to hit the target, because I'm not really target practicing right now. But yeah. So what I do, come over here, kick the target down, just like that. Put my hand on it, pull. Pull out. Voila. So yeah, that's about it. I'll run you guys through the stats one more time. Alright, so you have one hook in each hand right here, and then put that down. And then you just take it, put this right here, and that little notch, like I was saying, right into the scope. Put one hook on, it's only have to be an inch out or so. There. Then you make sure you turn it to fire, and then put your foot through this loop down the bottom right here. I know you guys can't really see, and then just pull up. I'm walking through it verbally, and it pulls up, automatically goes safe. Take this off. Okay guys, I lost you right there. The woman's picking up really bad. What I was saying is take the safe off, and you have different yardage pins inside the scope, and you want to take the safe off like I said and shoot. And then of course put it back on safe after you shoot. But you shoot before you shoot, put it on fire, as you can see right there. And right there where I'm pointing at, I have a little mount for my camera. I'd like to get into more of that. Start using it for archery hunt and stuff. But yeah,
That's about it. So, please like, subscribe, and, yesterday I talked about my, to-do list for the next 2 weeks. Um, I hope to do it every other day. Um, but go down, subscribe, comment what you guys want to see, and, like, of course. So, yeah, I don't really know what else to talk about, but I had to do this little voiceover thing because the wind was picking up really bad, and so I figured that would be kind of bad. So yeah, sorry if the voice isn't matching up with my mouth here on the screen, but yeah, I had to do this, so because the wind was terrible after I started listening to it, so I decided to mute it out and throw this in here, like I said, for about the 100th time. But what you guys would like to see, go down, comment. Hopefully I'll catch you guys next time.